Welcome to my channel. Greetings from India. Namaste. I will tell you the techniques how to engrave Navratna Ring. Watch the video till end. First of all, we set the stones 7. The coral and pearl will set at last because the coral and pearl may damage with graver. Let us tell about how to engrave square boxes in a Navratna ring. The graver is well polished on graver sharpening disc and well polished. You can engrave slowly. Engrave small pieces at the corner of the isonite to make a star look so that the graver may not damage. You can remove small pieces of gold slowly to save the point of the graver, and a star like structure comes at the corner. You can notice the four sides of the square box. The star like structure has came. The point of the graver is not damaged. Hence it is a diamond graver. The chances of damage of the point of the graver is very less. The stones may break when graver touches the stones, but the point of the graver will not break. It takes some time to polish a diamond graver on the graver sharpening disc. Now we can slowly move to the blue sapphire. Here I engrave, you notice that 3 or 4 times to make a star look at the corner of the blue sapphire. From the other side, on the other side, make another star, and there we should the gold engrave in equal parts to make a square box around the blue sapphire. See that the graver will not left over scratch marks on the stone. Let us engrave on the other side of the blue sapphire. Make a star-like structure from the two sides. We engrave so that the star-like structure comes there, and make slowly it as a square box. Three sides is over, and the fourth side again a star-like structure may be engraved by remove of small gold pieces. Now the structure of square box is nearer to complete. Now the square box for the blue sapphire is completed. We engraved a square box and it looks very shiny. Now you can move towards cat's eye. The same procedure we use here. Here I engrave one piece and two piece, like that 3 or 4 times. To save the point of the engraver, hence we remove or we engrave a tiny pieces of gold at the corners of the stone. And the both sides it is nearer to complete. And the four corners we remove same parts of gold. Now it is the third corner. I engrave there is same structure comes and we make it a square box. What makes jewelry beautiful? The jewelry looks very beautiful when it shines, when engrave is done properly. When there is a shine, everybody likes that jewelry. Now I engrave the fourth side of the cat's eye to make a square box around the cat's eye. The techniques that are used to engrave, we can polish the graver very well. The point of the graver should be sharp. As we watch, the graver is flat as it is polished equally. so that there should be no problem while we engrave. And jewelry looks beautiful when it glitters. We can engrave as we like, but make it glitter, then only everybody likes the jewelry. If it will not glitters, then it looks like a scarf. It will not look like a new jewelry. Hence, the graver should be polished well. It will be equally polished and engrave to make it shine. Now the square box of the ruby is nearer to complete. The 4 boxes which we engraved looks very beautiful, shines very beautiful. On the other side of the corner of the ruby, I make a star. I will check the method of engrave with high gloss. It will gives a clear performance, clear look how we engraved, and it can improve the process of engrave skills. We can engrave very soft. Our hands will not shake while we engrave. We can engrave gold very softly, so that the gold looks it takes the structure what is needed. It takes the shape what we need. And there should be no ups and downs when we engrave. Take straight forward one piece of gold, cut one piece of gold straight forwardly